So here's the other entrance. Oh, they're taking pictures over here. Yeah, the lady basically said there was a ton of people walking by. Like, she's like, what do I do? There you go. Chair. Something Seoul, or maybe it's 24th year, maybe? No, but year is neon. It doesn't say neon. It said 4 or something. Oh, pretty. What a cute little truck. Soul, my soul. Oh, is there Imata? Huh. I was gonna get something to drink, but I'm not. Cause well, actually, I should get rid of that Welch's drink. It's disgusting. But I just wanted to show you the I'm gonna go eat later. I mean, they might have some good food there, but actually, I want to go eat somewhere. So yeah, so you see here, the roof has plants up there. So pretty. So pretty, 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 pretty. So I was over there, and I went over there. Kind of seems like I've been everywhere. I'm not sure. I can't see very good. Oh, and then you know what? I really want to throw away that drink, but I have to dump out that juice, so I'll just keep it. It's not too heavy anyway, so. You go down. Right now, of course, I wish I had an umbrella, but I didn't want to have to, like, you know, I didn't want to have to, like, carry an umbrella the entire time. I don't know if there's anything on that side. Huh. I don't know. Like, I don't want to keep going if there's, like, nothing. Because I have to get down here. I mean, there might be something, but I don't know. It's just getting dark. It's not worth it. I woke up early too. Probably like 8 in the morning. I woke up early, but the problem is that I had some business to take care of. Then I had to shower. Then texting people and yeah. So I don't know what I'm trying to say. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go through this pathway and see if there's anything around here that I like. So I took pictures of that on the other side. Here it says Seoul Okse. Seoul Okse. Kind of sounds like I should know. Seoul is Seoul. So that first section. Seoul and then Okse. I'm not sure. Anyway. It doesn't. The sun doesn't set for another 2 hours, so I think I'm gonna leave like in 30 minutes, cause it's almost like an hour and a half, maybe an hour and a half, train bus to my home. So yeah, that'll be nice. Man, I'm glad I came, cause they still have the birdhouses here. I'm not sure what they have though. I think those are the tents. 안녕하세요. They have the birdhouses from last time. They're so beautiful. I wish they had the frames. Like they have so many what do you call it? Many art pieces that are no longer here. Photo chon. Actually, photo in Korean is sajin, but they do have some borrowed words, like kopi, juice, orange juice, bus. Those are actually Korean words that are borrowed from English. But photo is, they do sometimes use like English pronunciation, but it's sajin is the correct term for Korean for photo. Looks like someone like attacked the what is this? I don't even know what this is. The plant. I mean, is it kind of like wheat, kind of, I guess? I don't know. It doesn't look that pretty. It's overgrown. Oh, I think that's where the birds, where I could hear birds over there. Then you got this pretty little lights. I don't know what that is. Guess I could set up my camera there. I think I'm gonna go event. What does this say right here? Event. We'll just take a picture. We'll do it like this. And then I'll go like this. Oh, I don't want to go out that way. I think I'm gonna hit it now. It's just getting too dark for me to be out here. I'll take some pictures here with the Aigul. How do I make this like, oh wait, am I on video? I am video, huh? Yay! 안녕하세요. So I'm going back. I think I'm gonna go home. That lady's, she has a tripod. My tripod's actually in Japan with Hiroshi, Jerry's friend. So I don't have a tripod. I mean, I do have one for my phone, but my phone's too heavy. I mean, it's a selfie stick actually, not a tripod. Actually, I already went this way, so let me go this way. I don't even know when you eat. I can't believe, like, I'm not even that hungry. That's crazy, huh? Crazy. I don't even know where I'm gonna hate. To be honest with you, I'd rather just go home. Like when I'm home, it's like I can relax, you know? Being in a restaurant or a cafe, I can't really relax. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go home, and then there's things I needed to do. I need to go buy a few things, but I'm just gonna be too tired to do it today. I have like an hour and a half. No, like an hour for sunset. I think I should just get going. Those men were so funny. They were so excited to meet me and talk with me and everything. We just didn't agree with President Trump. I go, yeah, people just get half-truths or bald-faced lies about what's going on, you know. The good thing is that a lot of Koreans love President Trump, you know. A lot of Koreans love President Trump. But these people, they like Canada. So basically, like, yeah, with these people, even with the half-truth and bald-faced lies, well, I mean, I guess that's why they could think that Canada has a good guy when the guy's horrible, socialist, communist guy. So, but who knows? Maybe they know exactly what they're getting with Canada, or even with President Trump, and they're the believe in communism, socialism, all that stuff. Wait, am I back? This is where I went to the bathroom. No, I think last time I went that way. You know what? I'm gonna look. I'm gonna see where it's closest to the next bus. If it's closer to the next bus over there, I'm gonna go that way. If it's closer to the next bus over here, then I'll go that way. Let me check. So I'm gonna take 2 buses, because I either have to take a bus and a subway, but walk like, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes to my home, or I can take 2 buses and be dropped off 6 minutes from my home. It does take an extra 30 minutes, but I like riding the buses better anyway, because on the buses you get to see locations that you would not see on the subway. You know, I've seen some very nice areas that I need to go to. Yeah, so here I am, all by my little lonesome. Nobody around but me. I hate when I do that because I get dizzy. So I'm gonna look at, I don't know. There was something that I saw when, oh, maybe this over here? I have no idea. Yeah, let's see what's there. Looks like just a trail. There's probably nothing on that trail though. Let's see. Yeah, I'll just come down here. I go. My shoulder's starting to hurt. Okay, so not my shoulder. Like, it's just rubbing the camera strap. Well, my bag actually is rubbing on my skin. When it does that, I get like black, what do you call it? Like markings on my neck. When I went to Japan, I had markings on both sides. Oh my goodness. I had like 6 things hanging from me. Oh my word. When I go to Busan, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to buy me a little small luggage. I have 3 huge luggage, but I don't need to haul around 3 huge luggage that are, you know, 4/5 empty. So I took my photography camera bag, but oh my word, it's just so heavy. Just the camera bag on empty is super duper ridiculously heavy, so let alone on when it's not empty, you know? It's just crazy. Anyway, I need to check and see where I'm at. So basically I'm going back out pretty much the way I came in. I came on the other side of here, like on the other side of these shrubs. So it's like really close by. So anyway, oh, look, they have little trolley thingies. What the heck? Hold on, let me see. I can go on the trolley. That would be nice. Huh. Don't know, do they? Oh no, it looks like it just goes up. I don't know. Yeah, so this is where I was earlier. And I went that way. I don't know, like, do you pay for those? Is that for people who bought like a... So yeah, so anyway, that's where I came in, and I went that way. And I just came out on this side over here. Okay, so now I'm back. You know what, let me go over here because I like these buildings over here. Yeah, last time when I came, with my friend, we went out somewhere down there. So we ended up eating somewhere in this vicinity here. This is what I love about Korea. There's just hills, mountains, verdant, lush vegetation everywhere. Just so beautiful. Yeah, and that's like one thing about Japan, like well, let me say this. Here in Korea, everywhere you go, you're gonna see mountains, you're gonna see mountains, you're gonna see what do you call it? You are going to see mountains and hills everywhere in the entire country. And sometimes, like, if you're standing somewhere and you don't see, like, yeah, how pretty that looks. And you don't see a mountain or a hill, it's because it's being covered by a building. And in Japan, it's a little different because you can, in the city of Tokyo, like, not once, I've already been there 3 times, not once have I seen mountains or hills, and it's very beautiful. I mean, you can't, they're just beautiful in different ways, obviously, but in Japan, you can be in the city of Tokyo and not see a single mountain or a single hill, and so it's very flat, but it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful that you don't even realize you're missing out on mountains and hillsides, and but yeah, it's just beautiful. It's just different, very different. So you can't really compare the two. Very, very different. Yeah, I need lip balm. My lips are so dry. Man, Lord, I believe you've healed me. You've made me whole. Okay, where are these people going? Can I go that way? Oh, actually, that's where I need to go. Actually, let's see. Looks so nice because it's wet. So yeah, basically I'm going back the same way. There are people that are just coming in right now. But, you know, if you're a couple, or whether you're a couple or not, I feel like there's at least 2 of you hey, come out here at nighttime, but yeah, I don't want to be out here at nighttime by myself. I mean, Korea is a very, 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 very safe country, but I just don't want to be out here by myself. I'm not wearing my glasses, so everything's a blur. I just don't feel like putting on my glasses, seriously. Good thing is going downstairs. It's not going to be as treacherous as coming upstairs. Oh, there goes my shoelace. I go. So yeah, anyway, this is where I was earlier. And I said bye to the people at the store that don't have any water. Where I bought my Welch's Zero drink that's nasty. But I did get some, what are they? They're chips that are the shape of, what do you call it? Like a cone type of thing. There's a word for it. Like you can put your finger inside and like, you know, eat it. Those are really good. So I really like those. So at least I got that. It was expensive, but it is what it is. I probably paid like close to 7,000 won, which is 350 plus 125, like 475 for the drink and the chips. At the store, it probably would have cost me like $2.50 maybe. So maybe like $2 more. Yeah, getting tired. These shoes are not very comfy. Next time I come, I'm not gonna look as cute because I'm not bringing these shoes. I'm bringing my sneakers. I don't know, for some dumb reason I just want to look cute. Oh, it's because I have to run errands. So I was like, oh, you know. So I wasn't just coming to the park. I was going to go run errands. So, but now it's like, I just want to get home. I want to eat. I haven't eaten. I think I'm going to go get some dumplings. I haven't been there in a month. For the first 2 months, I went every single week. And the couple is so nice. I really like them a lot. And I know they like me. Well, especially the husband, because the husband, he communicates a little bit with me. His wife is a little more shy, but her husband tries to speak English to me. But anyway, I haven't been there because I was sick for 2 weeks with the flu and the cold. And the third week I was upset from it. I had an upset stomach for the entire week. Then the fourth week I went to Japan. So basically I haven't seen him for a month. They probably think I've already gone back to America, but I'm going to surprise them. I'm going to be like, I'm back. They're going to be like, what? We thought you left. Yeah, so the hubby, he tries to speak, I forgot their names. He tries to speak English to me. And sometimes if we don't understand each other, you know, because I speak a little Korean and he speaks a little English, we just use a translator. So, yeah. Anyway, I go. I feel like I'm the only one now. There are people behind me. Just there's no one in front of me, that's all. Just want to go on the bus. Just need to get on the bus. I go. Man, Lord. I know you've already healed me. Why are my lips dry? Like, there's this disconnect. There's this disconnect, and I know it's not God. I know that it's me. I'm the disconnect. You know? His word says I am healed. He took his stripes for my healing. I am whole. The Bible says I am whole. So what is it? So I'm the disconnect. You know? It's just, I'm not seeing myself whole. I have to see myself whole, Lord, in Jesus' name. Anyway, I'm gonna go walk. Oh, I still have to walk all the way like down there. That's where I came from, so I need to go all the way. I'm not looking forward to it. Okay, yeah, so there's the bridge. So over here. Over there somewhere. So beautiful. I love it. Let me take a picture. So I'm going down the whatever steps it is, 400 steps, 370. I don't even remember. 320. That's 320, right? So beautiful. Gotta go down there from up there. I love this park. This park's just one of my favorite places. But I do have to. What time did I leave? I left at 1:30. So it took me. I didn't get here till like 3. So what time is that? 3. Actually, 2.5 hours. Yeah, so I was only here for 2.5 hours. I think I need to give myself at least 4 hours. And I did get up early. It's just having to run errands and stuff. I mean, take care of business and stuff. It took me a while to leave. Oh Lord, my brother Jerry's on his way to San Francisco with the layover in Canada. Keep your hand upon them, Lord. May he sleep on the plane and just get some rest. Oh Lord, keep your hand on the passengers, the crew members, including of course the pilots and the weather, the plane itself, Lord. Look at how beautiful it is right here. Oh Lord, in your name, I pray he gets some rest, Lord, because I'm sure he's exhausted from, getting ready to leave. It's always tiresome. I am endeavoring to go out again tomorrow. I need to take advantage because the weather's so beautiful. So I want to go to Lotte World Tower and Sokchon Park. There's a lake there. I have some videos of like some old. Actually, there are pictures that I made into videos, but now I'm gonna what do you call it? I'm gonna actually record video, not just pictures. Look how pretty it looks with the lights. So pretty. It's so nice. Look at the pretty lights. They change colors. Pretty. Wait. Oh no. These actually look yellow. Oh no, they turn white. What the? Okay, because I was gonna say, yeah, see, they're changing colors, but they still look white. But they change yellow. Now it's pink and blue. And yeah, they change colors, but they look the same. Wow, going downhill is what a difference. I don't even need to take breaks. But going uphill, oh my word. That was a pain in the booty. Pain in the booty. Pain in the booty. My foot's sliding too much on my left shoe. I wonder if I can go up that way. So earlier I was walking on the side of the road, but I thought, you know what, let me just go. I can actually go through the inside, so I'm like, oh, let me go through the inside, see what I see if I see anything pretty. Just want to go home and eat. I think I'm gonna buy 2 what do you call it, 2 packs of oh, those people they're smart. I just wasn't sure if they would come on those things, but now I know. dumplings, 2 packs of dumplings. There's 10 in each. And then maybe I'll buy like a soup. I've never bought their soup, but maybe I'll buy their soup too. This person just crossed over right there. There's not really much to see over. Oh, what's here? Let me see what's here. I don't even know. What is this? Yeah, I'm looking through the camera because I'm too blind to see without my glasses. Oh, next time I'll come here. I don't know what this is, but it's very pretty. I'll come here next time. I'm gonna endeavor to go out every day now that it's fall, because the summertime, there's just no way I couldn't do it in the summertime. The summertime is just so humid. Actually, right now I feel like I'm sweating. Well, I guess from walking 2 hours, whatever it was. It's so pretty right here. My lips are salty. See, so there are a bunch of different areas here. There you go. I don't even know what areas I was in. I think I was in this area. Next time I'll go over here. It told me I could go straight, like that way, come out on that side, but I don't want to come out on that side because there's not an actual exit. It almost looks like I would be cutting through the grass, and I don't want to do that because what if, like, it's pretty grass, you know? Yeah, so anyway. Oh, that looks like one of my buses right there. The lights just turned on. I'm tired. Just want to get home. Just want to eat and relax. Man, I really wanted to go well, I needed, like I said, there's some errands I need to run. And run for some errands, and then also I want to go to a restaurant, but I'm too tired. I just want to go home. I had a long day. Even though I wasn't out here very long. I mean, I left at 1:30, but like I said, I got here like 3, probably around 3, because it's like an hour and a half. Or did I get here at 1:30? No, there's no way. There's no way I got here at 1:30. I think I left at 1:30. Anyway. Yeah. I'm just too tired. Hey, where's my bus stop? Yeah, so the first time I came in through the stadium. But for some reason it seemed like it was a longer walk, but it's not really a longer walk, it's just across the street. I don't know. Just don't have the same memory I had once upon a long time ago. So it's sprinkling right now. So my camera's getting wet again. As long as the hot shoot doesn't get messed up, I'm okay. Okay. I have no idea why I made a left turn when I literally was looking at the map, and the map told me to go straight. I think I'm more tired than I thought. Yeah, for sure. Like, I'm good with maps. Didn't seem like it today. I'm good with paper maps, let alone let alone you know, my phone that's actually guiding me. I've never been here, so I'll have to look it up and see if it's nice in here too. Oh, it's raining. So there's the World Cup Stadium. So basically the subway station is underneath the stadium. Man, I left at the right time because it's starting to rain a little bit harder. So yeah, so last time I came here, for some reason, I don't know, I guess because it is a long walk. It's not a short walk. It just seemed longer last time. I don't know. So there's gonna be my bus stop right there. So I might transfer to 2 buses. It's gonna be a 2-hour ride back home instead of an hour and a half. Cause I wanna look out the window on a bus. On a subway, well, I always have to take a bus and a subway, or 2 buses and a subway. And when you do that, you just can't enjoy it as much. So it's really pretty with the lights on. Nice little bus there. I just walked by it. It's got lights in the front. I don't know what it is, but it's really nice. Okay, I'm out here in the dark, walking to a park. Oh my word, I can't believe this. I literally got lost for an hour. It looks like it's so beautiful. Next time I'm coming up this way. But anyway, yeah, I got lost for an hour because my data stopped working, and I'm like, oh my goodness, where am I? I couldn't figure out where I was. Anyway, drama. I can go on for half an hour telling you all the drama that I went through, trying to find the buses and that I needed, and it was just crazy. It was so crazy. So anyway, they're gonna close here at 9 o'clock. It's 8 p.m. and they're supposed to have lights, and I'm like, oh, I really want to go to the lights, but then I'm like, what am I doing? I'm over here in the middle of nowhere by myself. But I was gonna just go back, but I'm like, you know what? Hey, with Christ I can do all things. So anyway, okay, once I get there, I'll videotape some more because I'm running out of battery too. Okay, bye. I know there's human life. I'm not all by myself. Oh my word. Sure would I be doing this in California? No way. But it's nice to see other people got here with me because I was just too tired. I mean, I don't know what I'm trying to say. Anyway. So here I am, walking over the freeway. I just wasted 3.5 hours of my time. Oh my God. So I ended up getting off at a wrong stop. I was supposed to get off on Mapungu, and you couldn't hear the announcement. It was just too low and a lot of people. So anyway, oh, look at that bridge over there. It's so pretty. So anyway, what happened is I got off on the one before, which was something Mapu something, but not where I was supposed to be. So then when I got off, I'm like, okay, this looks so different, because I had already gotten off of there before, and I couldn't understand why it looked so different. So what I was doing is trying to get my GPS to work, and of course my GPS wasn't working. So then I'm going around here. So then what ended up happening is my GPS wasn't working. I was trying to figure it out. I went on like at least 2, maybe 3 different buses, trying to figure out where I was going, and I just couldn't figure it out. Finally, my GPS started working, but the buses didn't come around in that area. Oh my word, it was just horrible. Anyway, now I'm just gonna go home. So I ended up going towards the park. By then it's like 8:15, and I'm thinking, oh my word, it's gonna take me 30 minutes to walk into the park. By then it'll be, what, 8:45, and they close at 9. I'm like, there's no way I could take pictures and videos in 15 minutes. I might as well turn around, and that's what I did. So anyway, now I'm gonna take a bus somewhere around here.